Hello students and welcome back again in your geography class. I am Anand Pandey, your geography teacher. Students, all of you know that now we started the chapter number 21, transport, and it is a very important chapter because in the board examination you will get easily marks if you are going to attempt the transport chapter. So now students, yesterday in the previous video we are just understood about the means of transport. Then after that we understood about the importance of the transport. Now how the transport affect our daily life. Okay students, now today we are going to start the means of transport, and now in this topic first we are going to understand about the roads. So now students, look at in your book and you see the roads are given. Roads means the roadways transport. So first we are going to understand after the introduction part of this roadways. So now in the introduction part is telling us about that about the roadways. So roadways is not new for us because students, in the ancient time when we are just watching about the ancient civilization. So now in this ancient civilization like the Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, the roads are constructed for the movement of the people from one place to another place. Then after that the other periods like the Middle Age, then after that the modern period. So in the middle of our history, so now the Sher-Shah Suri just built a very long road and it is known as the Grand Trunk Road. Now this road is connected to Kolkata to Peshawar. So now these are the evidence that are showing the roadways are not the new for the India country. After that, when we are just achieving the independent after 15th August 1947, so then our Indian government now start to take few steps to develop the roads in our country India. So now just you see that the national highways, about the national highways. So now the national highways are just authorized by the central government of India. Means all the national highways are construct or maintained by the National Highway Authority of India, means the NHAI. NHAI is an organization which work under the central government or the central government of India. So now NHAI just develop the national highways of our country India to connect one place to another place. And then after that, in the modern period, now we are in the modern age. Now you see that the expressways. The expressways are nowadays are the modern type of routes where all the facilities are available. Now the expressways are now become in the 6 lanes or 8 lanes, like the facilities like the we can say the clinics for the accident, emergency, first aid. Then after that the CCTV cameras, the small restaurants, the mobile radar vans, all the things are available on these expressways, and these expressways are traffic free and they just connect the one place to another place in less time. For example, like the given Agra-Lucknow expressway. Now the Agra-Lucknow expressway reduced the 2 hours time. Now you just reach the Agra in 4 hours from Lucknow, or just you reach the Lucknow from 4 hours from Agra to Lucknow. So these types of now day by day the development are now going in the roadways. So now students, few highways are given. Just look at in the book. Now you see that the Agra-Lucknow expressway, the Yamuna expressway. After that the Ahmedabad-Vadodara expressway, Delhi-Gurgaon expressway, Mumbai-Pune expressway, Noida-Greater Noida expressway, Delhi-Noida expressway, Panipat expressway, Bengaluru-Mysuru infrastructure corridor. So now these are some very important expressways that are now connecting in our country one place to another place. So now just we can say that it provided the we can say that now these roads become the backbone of our country because they help in the industries for the transportation of the goods and the perishable items from one place to another place. and then the passengers that are just daily moving from one place to another place. So now we can say that this type of road transport helps in the development of our country India. So now in the next part, now you see that few types of roads are given, like the state highways, district roads, rural roads, and other roads. Now these is the BRO. BRO means the Border Road Organization. From the highway, this organization is constructing the road near the border, like the Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan. So now in this particular area, this border road organization just developed the roads network for our country India. Now next, this one is the very important part, the advantage of roadways, because students in the board question paper, mostly questions are depend on the advantage and the disadvantage of the roadways. So now first we are going to understand about the advantage of the roadways. Now it is through the roads that every village and helmet can be reached. So now the first advantage, the roads gives the facility, means road हमें ऐसी facility देती है बेटा कि जहां पर हम गांव से गांव कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट ऑफ रोड इज मच लोअर देन द रेलवे लाइन. अगर हम रेलवे और रोड्स का कंपेयर करें और कंपैरिजन करें तो हमें ये देखने को मिलता है बेटा कि रोड्स हमारे सस्ते में बन जाती है, जबकि रेलवे लाइंस को बनाने में बहुत पैसा लगता है. अब रोड्स गिव्स टू डोर फैसिलिटी. रोड्स जो है वो हमें दरवाजे से पिक और ड्रॉप करने की फैसिलिटी देती है, जो कि कोई भी ट्रांसपोर्ट हमें नहीं देता है. द मूवमेंट ऑफ गुड्स सेफर. अगर हम गुड्स के मूवमेंट की बात करें तो वो हमारा क्या है, रोड से बहुत इजीली एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंच जाता है. Roads transport supplements the other modes of transportation. It provides the link between the railway stations and the ports and their hinterland. अगर हम बात करें तो रोड एक लिंक के, रोडवेज जो रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट है वो एक लिंक के तरीके से हमारे लिए काम करता है, क्योंकि अगर रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं होता तो हम बात करते हैं, हम अपने गुड्स को रेलवे लाइंस तक नहीं पहुंचा सकते थे, हम अपने गुड्स को एयरपोर्ट तक नहीं पहुंचा सकते थे, हम अपने गुड्स को पोर्ट्स तक नहीं पहुंचा सकते थे. तो बिना रोडवेज के ये हमारे बड़े बड़े जो ट्रांसपोर्ट्स हैं वो बेकार रहते. अब डिसएडवांटेज हम लोग समझ लेते हैं बेटा कि रोड्स की डिसएडवांटेज क्या होती हैं. मैनी रोड्स आर अनसरफेस्ड एंड देयरफॉर नॉट सुटेबल रेगुलर व्हीकल ट्रैफिक. बहुत सी रोड्स जो हैं वो उबड़ खाबड़ हैं, जिसकी वजह से वहां पे रेगुलर व्हीकुलर ट्रैफिक अच्छा नहीं होता है. रोड्स आर नॉट प्रॉपरली मेंटेन. रोड्स जो हैं वो प्रॉपरली मेंटेन नहीं होती हैं. पुअर रोड सरफेस कॉज हैवी लॉस इन वियर एंड टीयर ऑफ व्हीकल्स. पुअर रोड होने की वजह से हमारे व्हीकल्स में टूटना फूटना बराबर लगा रहता है. नाउ आफ्टर दैट देयर आर मल्टीपल चेक पोस्ट. बहुत ज्यादा मल्टीपल चेक पोस्ट होने की वजह से, रेलवे क्रॉसिंग होने की वजह से, ट्रैफिक होने की वजह से कभी कभी ये बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लेना शुरू कर देता है. मैनी रोड्स हैव इनएडुकेट कैपेसिटी. जो बहुत सी रोड्स हैं वो बहुत लो कैपेसिटी की बनी, जहां पे ना तो कोई फुटपाथ है, ना कोई ब्रिज है, ना कोई रेलवे क्रॉसिंग है, जिसकी वजह से ये सेफ्टी मेजर्स को भी पूरा नहीं करती है. Okay students, now this one is the advantage and the disadvantage of the road transport. Again I am telling you students, all of you just focus on the advantages and the disadvantages of the transportation, whatever I am teaching you, because most of the questions in the board question paper you find that they are taking from the advantages and disadvantages. So just all of you learn the 3 points from the advantage and the 3 points from the disadvantage from your roadways transportation. Okay students, thank you.